Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set up and how to use the new Samsung DeX on your Samsung Galaxy S11 Ultra. Now, before you used to go to settings and then go to connected devices and then look for Samsung DeX and launch it from here. But as you can see, that's not available now. So now to launch Samsung DeX, you first go into multitasking mode. Now, if you're using buttons, then you just tap on the button to go into multitasking mode. If you're using gestures, just swipe and hold and then release. It's going to take you to this multitasking mode. Now, in the multitasking mode, you will see this icon here. So this is a new Samsung DeX icon. You tap on it, and now we are in Samsung DeX, as you can see. Okay, so it looks slightly different. And inside Samsung DeX, you can actually tap on the multitasking button and open multiple desktops. So you can see this is a desktop inside Samsung DeX, and this is the normal tablet view where we have different apps open. So in desktop mode, again here, you can come and open apps, and you can see they open differently, and you can drag icons just like you would in a computer, because Samsung DeX is basically computer mode. All right, so you can resize apps like that. You can, and anytime you open an app, it's gonna just open like a computer, because this is now Samsung DeX. Okay, now if you go into multitasking mode again, you can actually open multiple desktops inside Samsung DeX, as you can see. So this is a different desktop or a workspace. Okay, so you can switch between the different desktops, and you can always go back to tablet mode if you want to. And that is basically just how to use Samsung DeX. Now, of course, if you have a stand, you can put your tablet there and use a keyboard and mouse to use this Samsung DeX much better. You see, you can minimize windows like that, and you can bring them back up. You can drag them to sides. You can maximize. You can do most of the stuff you will do in Samsung DeX in desktop mode. So that is basically how to do that. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.